Hi guys, welcome to Blackout Tinting. My name's Isaiah and I'm happy to have you here today. So we're going to be talking about all the cars that we got here because it's Wednesday and it is what's in the shop. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, we have a 2016 Ford Mustang GT here. Originally came to us at the beginning of the week to get a few scratches buffed off for him, but he decided he wants to do a full paint protection film wrap. So we'll get the rest of the vehicle prepped here. Probably started next week, but she's up next. We'll give it a swirl, guys. Next up, we have a Genesis GV70. Came here, it's getting the two front windows tinted to match the rear section, and she should be up next here in line for tint. Have a beautiful 2023 GMC 1500. It is getting a full XR tint job as well as visor. So it's not only going to look great, it's going to block heat, keep the person a lot more cooler and comfortable, and that AC is going to run a lot more efficiently. I'm looking forward to getting this done for him. All right, guys, this Challenger here was here for a annual checkup. And so with the ceramic coating, in order to maintain that warranty that we have for you, you have to get us to check it once a year. We'll clean up the surface, we'll get things re-sported with the coating that's going to help boost and enhance the coating that you have to last you for another year. It's complete, waiting to go home. Well guys, we have a different car here that got paint protection film on the rockers to protect that from those lower areas, and it also got tint on the front. She's complete, waiting to go home. 2015 Scion FRS. We actually did paint protection film to this vehicle a couple years ago, but it got into an unfortunate event, a little bit of a fender bender here, so we had to simply replace the paint protection film for the customer. It is done and waiting to go home as well. Okay guys, we have a 812 Superfast here. We had completed the paint protection film wrap that it was already on there, and we gave it a ceramic coating. She's ready to go home. And then behind me, we have C8R. And with that, it's here for a 2-week wash. Okay guys, we have a Ferrari California. Now we cleaned it up, did a full paint correction on it, and then we're also gonna do a full paint protection film wrap and clean up the inside. It's getting ready to go. Hopefully we're gonna start this week and we'll get that looking nice. But that's it for everything on the outside. Let's go on the inside. Yeah.
I'm taking over for Isaiah on what's in the shop inside the shop. Behind us, we got the Raging Cajun. Popping these tops back on this GMC AT4. It's getting our ceramic tint on the whole cab. So as soon as I'm done shooting this video, I'll jump back in and keep helping T. Over here, we had GT500 come back for its 2-week wash and just some miscellaneous touch-ups. We did a full wrap on it a couple weeks ago. Back there, this big black beauty of an AT4 is getting its 2-week wash. Caleb's somewhere around there working hard on it. Behind us, back from Florida, is Mr. Patrick Repko. He's doing a correction and going to be doing a Fusion Plus coating on this Range Rover. Farther up front here, we have a Porsche Cayman. We did a full vinyl wrap on it, I think a year or two ago. Someone backed into his rear bumper, so we have it off. We're going to be re-wrapping that, getting it looking all fresh again. Moving up farther here, this big white Ram GT is getting a full front clip. It's getting window tint tomorrow. It's getting its sunroofs done tomorrow as well. And then on the other side of us, we have yet another Z06. This one is a 70th anniversary edition. We tinted this yesterday. It got full front clip, 8-pillar and roof. It got these blades back here done, so just kind of the high impact areas on that. But other than that, that's everything that's going on inside the shop today. So we'll send it on up to Gibsonia, see what Luke's got going on up there.
What's up guys, we got a busy week here in Gibsonia. Let's take a walk in the back and check it out. Here we have a 2013 Mercedes-Benz SLK. This is a completed job here. Mark did his thing with a full paint correction and a Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. And here we have Mark doing this brand new BRZ. This is getting a full body paint correction and ceramic coating as well. And we even did a second set of wheels you can see over here behind the vacuum. So this is the winter set that we cleaned and coated, and we also are doing the summer set that are currently on the vehicle. Okay, another completed vehicle here. This is a full body paint protection film wrap and a Fusion Plus ceramic coating. This is a 2022 Tesla Model S Plaid. The Blackwing project is finally complete. After a couple months of taking off old paint protection film, finding some damage, and getting a few spots repainted, the full body wrap and ceramic coating is finally complete. We also tinted the two front windows on this vehicle in 20% to match the back section. The back section was not factory tinted, but rather aftermarket tint that the owner did before he came to us. In the tint bay, we have two vehicles. On the left-hand side, we have a 2023 Ford Ranger. This is getting our prime CS 20% tint on the side windows and the back window. And behind that is a brand new 2023 Chevy Corvette. This is getting our prime XR 20% tint on the two front windows. In the back of the shop, we have the Shelby GT350. This was in the shop last year for a full body paint protection film wrap and ceramic coating. It's back in the shop this year. There was a pretty nasty dent right here on the front fender. So courtesy of Anthony at Galaxy Dent Repair, he came in, he got that dent popped out. We did have to replace the piece of PPF, but the paint was saved. And now that that's all complete, we're doing an annual maintenance checkup on the vehicle, and she'll be back on the road. Up on the left, we have a 2011 Ferrari 458. This is in for a full body paint protection foam wrap. This is getting a stealth conversion, so you can see on the fender, which is complete, versus the bumper, which is not yet done, what that's gonna be looking like. We're also gonna be adding some black accents. So this front pillar here, the whole way up on the entire roof portion, back to that point there is gonna be black, along with a couple accents on the rocker pieces. So you can do some pretty cool things with paint protection film, including some black accents. Over here we have Steve doing some touch-up work on this 2023 Honda CR-V. This got our full front clip package and the rear impact. So right behind the back wheel where it's liable to get nicked up by stones and whatnot, that is protected, along with the entire front of the vehicle. That's all for what's in the shop here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's up guys, this is Nate from Blackout, Tinting, Miami. I can show you what's going on in the shop this week.
Here is the 2023 Tesla Model 3 that we're doing this week with the PPF on the full front clip and also the full XPEL XR 20% and also XPEL XR 5% visor. Here is another 2023 Tesla Model Y in a dark gray metallic, receiving a full body XPEL Stealth paint protection foam wrap. So to convert that gloss finish paint to that matte finish. You can see here, compared to the door to the front fender. 2023 Chevy Corvette C8, receiving our CS 5% tint on the doors and our XPEL XR Plus 55% on the front windshield. Here is a vehicle you've seen previously, a 2023 BMW M240i. Previously received a full front clip and a ceramic coating. Just coming back in after 2 weeks to get the PPF checkup and a 2-week wash. Another 2023 Tesla Model Y that we'll be doing the PPF on the full front clip. Also got our XPEL XR front windows matched to the rear section. Then also XPEL XR Plus ceramic tint on the windshield to give you that privacy and that UV protection.
That's all that we've got in the shop this week. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let us know how we're doing.